आयफोनची क्लिअरिटी असते, आयफोनची क्लिअरिटी आणि मराठी मुलींची पर्सनॅलिटी नेहमीच कडक. गुड आफ्टरनून एव्हरीवन. माय नेम इज समीक्षा सुरेश पाटील. टुडे माय लुक इज महाराष्ट्रीयन गर्ल. सह्याद्रीच्या लेखी गोष्ट आहे तुझी न्यारी, नऊवारीच्या साजात मी आहे भारी. मी आज तुमच्यासमोर ब्राह्मणी पद्धतीची वेशभूषा सादरीकरण करत आहे. मी रिस्पेक्ट ज्याची करते तो डिझर्व करतो, त्याची त्याची नाही तो डिमांड करतो.
Line Center, introduce yourself because judges don't know your name.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Tanishq Ratnathar Jadhav. I am from Nagpur. Today I wear a South Indian dress.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Salman Abdul Majid Sheikh. Today I wear South Indian suit. Yanna.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vedant Arjun Chowdhury. Today's look my traditional look. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Janti Vikram Hote from 8th standard. Today I am creating a Bengali look. Our famous dish is Rasgulla. तुम्ही आम्हाची भालोबासा. Myself Sharmila Abhitkar. Today I create Maharashtrian look. Jagat Hari Kolhapur. Safer from standard 8. Standing here in front of you to show presenting a South Indian look and to show some gratitude about the South Indian culture. Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Riyadika Karate. I am from standard 8. Today I have created South Indian look. Thank
Okay.
you. Myself Rajmani Ramasari, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
Doctor is the second God for us. My duty is treat people. Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Lavanya Karwar. I am from 7th standard. Don't underestimate the power of common woman. Thank you. My name is Rudra Rao Rudikar and I am presenting Himachal Pradesh culture in front of you. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apples and its handloom industries. Its ancient name was Devbhumi, which means the God's home. Thank you. Sometimes to wear some fashion. Thank you. Today I have created South Indian look. Gorgeous sari with gorgeous sari. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Radhika Ramesh Shinde. I am a NCC girl. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Shruti Rajibela. Today I am an engineer. I build houses, malls, buildings and shops. Thank you. A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ayushka Sangram Limbakar. Today is my book. तुम्ही तर मला ओळखलंच नाही. मी चंद्रपूरची बाई, देव मल्हारीची बायको. बोला येळपट जय मल्हार. माझी पहिली ओवी सावित्रीच्या बुद्धीला, माझी पहिली ओवी सावित्रीच्या बुद्धीला, स्त्रियांच्या शिक्षणाला दिला तिने पायात, स्त्रियांच्या शिक्षणाला दिला तिने पायात. अडाणी अशिक्षित तू, कधीपासून शिकली तू. Good afternoon, my name is Janvi Maisuka, speaking from standard 6. I started the girls' first school in Bidewada, Pune in 1847. When I used to go to school, people threw garbage, souls and cow dung at me, but my determination was strong and I did not look at them and try to complete my aim. That my aim is to every girl has to be educated, and my aim is completed now.
Okay.
Thank you. मैं पंजाबी बोली हूँ। Vijita Krishna Suryavanshi. दाताचं दातवण घ्या ग कुणी, कुंकू आणि काळमणी. सुया घे वो घे काळमण वाळ मनकट घे, विद्या घे म्हाताऱ्याला कुरकुरा घे, आंधळ्याला चष्मा घे. ए माय वाडकी गरम गरम भाकर आणि भात, त्याच्यावर घाल तुपाची धार. एक गपस काढत्या सारखं किर किर किर, सारखं किर किर किर. बापावानी झाले मी तुम्हाला वाटत असेल भीत का आले. सरकारवर माझी हीच विनंती आहे, गरीब राबतात पुन्हा त्यांना पण खायला एक तुकडा सुद्धा मिळत नाही. सरकार मायबाप गरीब मायबापावर लक्ष असावं. धन्यवाद. I am a doctor. Doctor works in a hospital. He saves lives. He gives medicines and injections. He takes care of his patients. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Ovi Prathamesh Patil. My name is Ovi Prathamesh Patil. I teach all students. I am a teacher. Thank you.
Okay.
Afternoon everyone. My name is Tanishka Nikhil Kumar. I am a second standard girl. I live in Gargoti. आज मैं बनने है सीता. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Anamazin Mukherjee. I am a
Which look? Okay.
Maharashtra look. Thank you. My name is Araja Kumar. माझा look जिजामाता. Thank you. My name is Shraddha Prabhu. I am a teacher. My name is Shraddha Prabhu. My duty is to teach children. I teach in school. I teach all subjects to the students. Thank you.
Okay.
All of. My name is Rajnandini Ranjit Chowle. I am Sina. Thank you.
Okay.
Love you. My name is Nabha Ravindra Samant. I am a Barbie. Thank you. All of you. My name is Advaita. मैं झांसी की रानी. मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. Hello to the My name is Swayam Sanjay Patil. I am a Maharashtra look. My name is Pratwal Uttam Davar. I am a traditional day. My name is Kartik Satin Jamle. Me, hi, hello.
Okay.